Hello, welcome again. We are covering GATE Aerospace Engineering syllabus. Section 1 is Engineering Mathematics and the topic is calculus. In this, the subtopic is surface integral. And in surface integral, next article is Green theorem in the plane. Suppose this is your plane E and it is enclosed by curve C. Okay. And pi, psi, curl pi by curl y and curl psi by curl x is a continuous function in this region. Okay. And then according to Green's theorem, line integral pi dx plus psi dy is equal to surface integral curl psi by curl x curl psi by curl psi by curl x minus curl psi by curl y. Curl psi by curl x minus curl psi by curl y within bracket dx dy. So that is the Green's theorem. I am repeating again. Suppose we have region E which is enclosed by curve C, in which pi, psi, curl pi by curl y, curl psi by curl x are the continuous functions. Okay. So then according to Green's theorem, the line integral can be changed into surface integral. Suppose we have this line integral pi dx plus psi dy. Okay. So then it can be changed to surface integral by Green's theorem. So surface integral will be curl psi by curl x minus curl pi by curl y within bracket dx dy. Okay. So that will be the surface integral, and this is called Green's theorem. Now we will solve one example based on the Green's theorem. The integral cyclic C y dx minus x dy is evaluated along the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 by 4 transversed in the counterclockwise direction. The integral is equal to option A 0, option B minus pi by 4, option C minus pi by 2, option D pi by 4. So this is the given line or curve integral. So this is if we take this form, here pi is your y and psi is your minus x. So according to Green's theorem, it will be pi dx plus psi dy will be your curl psi by curl x minus curl pi by curl x within bracket dx dy E region, and this is curve. Okay, so this is your curve is this and region E is this. Okay, so and this surface is here given by this equation x square plus y square is equal to 1 by 4, so which is the equation of circle. Okay, so it represents a circle. Okay, with radius 1 by 2 and center at origin. So here pi is your y, and x is your psi is your minus x. Okay. So now here it will be curl psi by curl x or curl minus x by curl x minus curl y by y equal to curl y by curl y within bracket dx dy. Okay. So this will its partial representation will be minus 1 and its partial representation is also minus 1. So it will be minus 2. So it will be minus 2. 2 is constant, so it can be taken out of integration. Double integral dx dy. So dx dy means if we consider a small element within the circle, then it is the area of that element. Okay. So if dx dy is a small element area, so double integral will represent area of the circle. Okay. So it will be 2 into minus 2 into pi by 4 or pi r square or pi by 4 d square or pi r. R is your 1 by 2. Okay. So this is 1 by 4, so r will be 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is here 1 by 4, so it will be 1 by 2. So it will be minus pi by 2. Option C is the right. So this is the green theorem. Okay. You can note it